Automobile meets architecture. The August Horch Museum in Zwickau presents more than 100 years of automobile history. The exhibition space is being expanded by an additional former production hall. The connecting construction respectfully closes the gap between the historic heritage-protected buildings. Motifs of high-quality design and car manufacturing inspired the architectural language. Three-dimensional sheet steel frames reflect the sunlight like the radiator grille of an automobile. Serially arranged sheds mimic industrial architecture. Their staggered dynamism lends character to the exterior as well as to the interior. Oiled beechwood, grey leather, and strips of chrome are reference to the interior of ancient automobiles. With elegant and precise design details. Crafted refinements are also found in the former production hall. Here, the company founded by August Horch produced the first Audi car model. With its authentically renovated clinker brickwork, the building's exterior preserves history and becomes an exhibit itself. Welcome to the August Horch Museum, where industrial architecture meets automobile history.